Guys, in this video we are going to see how to convert a number from decimal to binary. Now let's convert this 13 number 13 from decimal to binary. Okay, we are going to convert from decimal to binary. Now when we convert from decimal to binary, we have to look at the powers of 2, and let's look at the powers of 2. 2 power 0 is equal to 1, 2 power 2 power 1 is equal to 2, 2 power 1 is equal to 2, then 2 power 2 is equal to 4, then 2 power 3 is equal to 8, and then 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Okay, now when we consider this number, we have to look at the power of 2 that is less than this number. Okay, 2 power 4 is equal to 16, that is greater than this number, right? So we shouldn't take this one. We have to look at the next one. 2 power 3 is 8, and that is less than 13. So we can say this is equivalent to 2 power 3 plus 5, because 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Now we have to look at this power 5 and look at the powers of 2 that is less than 5. And this is not less than 5. This is less than 5, right? This 2 power 2 is equal to 4. That's less than 5. So we can write this one as 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 plus 1. And 1 is already 2 power because 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So we can say this is 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 0 is equal to 30. Now what we have to do is we have to go like this in this order. Here we have 8, and also we have 4 plus 1 is equal to 30. Now we have to see how many 8s we have. Okay, we are going in this order, 2 power order. 8s, and after that we have 4s, and we have, after that we have 2s, and here we have 4, 8, 4, 2 1s. Okay, 1s. And in our case we have 1 8, this is 1, 1 4, and we have 1 1. So this is 8s are 1 and 4s are 1, and we don't have any 2, right? We don't have any 2, so this is 0, and we have 1 1. So this is 1101, and that's going to be the conversion from decimal to binary. So in binary, the 13 is going to be 1101, and that's how we convert from decimal to binary. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.